On this page, you can create a trading strategy based on signals from indicators and backtest it. You can choose from classical technical indicators and our custom-made sentiment indicators. We have Twitter and news only for the current beta. Our Reddit, user-customized ones and more, will come in later releases. They are pretty simple to interpret. They go from 0 to 100, with 0 being extremely negative and 100 being extremely positive sentiment. So you choose an indicator and configure its settings, or leave the defaults. Let's go for an example with a Twitter sentiment indicator. You can customize the moving average here. Then, to create an entry or exit signal from it, simply put in the value below or above which you want it to trigger. Let's say we want to enter the market when the sentiment is extremely positive, say above 8. Then you generally need both entry and exit signals. So let's also say we want to exit when our indicator is below 40. Then choose the market settings you want to apply the strategy on, the trading pair, its granularity, and the date range. You can then set up take profit and stop loss triggers if you like. Finally, put in the commission that you pay to your exchange and run it. So here are the results. On the right-hand side, we have a bunch of stats starting with the expected value. You can also interpret the EV like a multiplier on the starting capital. So generally a value below 1 would be bad, and above 1 would be good. We also have a bunch of charts that give a detailed look into how the strategy unfolded. In the orders chart, we can see the entries with a green marker and a red one for the exits. Then we have the trade profit and loss chart, where you can see the performance of each individual trade. In the next chart, you can see the value of the portfolio over time. And the last one shows the drawdowns.